I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your password on the Reddit app is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Reddit app. Launch the Reddit app on your device. Make sure you logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the account management options. Step 4. Select Change Password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Note: make sure your new password meets Reddit security requirements, or you may get an error message. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, tap the Save button to confirm the changes. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been updated. Now you're all set with your new password. If you have any issues, just double check that your new password meets the criteria. Happy Redditing!